All right, let's smash the connections. Looking for 5 perfect connections in a row today. That's a whole handful, dude. Let's make 4 groups of 4. Now these 16 words. Uh-oh. Terrified of this one. Initially, first category, I was thinking probably candy, I guess, probably first, and then so licorice and maybe jelly bean, the word candy. And I saw pumpkin and princess. I was thinking like pet names, but I don't think I saw any more of those. And then I saw bean and fennel, and there was something else. Nut. Are those legumes? I feel like these might be legumes. I don't even know how to pronounce anise. Whatever this word is, I don't know what it is, but I feel like it might be in that group. And that's like where I'm at, you know? And then I saw melon, and I think that's like off the melon, off the noodle, off the top of the head, you know? I think these are words for your brain, kind of. Maybe bean. And there's like I'm worried about this thing. And then there's just, I mean, anise, I don't know what that means, you know? Tarragon, not a single clue, dude. You know, so I'm in a lot of trouble here, I think. Emerald is crazy. I don't know what. I got emerald green is the only thing I can think of with emerald. There aren't like gems, right? Maybe tarragon is something to do with that. Like it kind of feels like these could just be some crazy category that I don't know what it is, you know? And like princess or something. Feels like these could be something to do with something that I don't understand. It's how that feels to me. And if that ends up being a category, that's great. But I don't know. I don't know what it means. Okay, licorice, baguette, noodle are all long foods. You know? Elongated foods. I don't know what fennel is. I have to be honest. I think it's like a seed, right? I'm so concerned about this one. I have no idea what's going on. Pumpkin seeds, fennel seeds. Melons have seeds, but like... Are we doing that? Oh no. Oh no, dude. I've had a lot like that was a lot of ideas that I said, and none of them seem good. That was a lot of ideas. I went a lot of different directions, and now I'm more confused than when I started. Costume? Like I don't know, dude. Radiant? There have to be some kind of synonyms in here, right? There's just so many words that I don't know what they mean. Tarragon, fennel. I kind of know what fennel means, but like not really. It's definitely like a food. It's like a seed. It's like kind of like pasta, right? Like I feel like you can like make pasta out of, I don't know. Saying it's a seed and saying it's pasta sounds like not really like it's the same thing, but. And then this word too. So like 3 words that I'm like really just not sure about, which makes this thing really hard. Especially if we're talking like blank categories, because oh no. Alright, I mean candy, costume, decorations, that could be, and pumpkin. That's Halloween stuff. Right? Please? That's gotta be Halloween stuff. You get candy, there's pumpkins, wear costumes, you decorate. It feels like Halloween to me. At least I have something grouped off that feels okay. Alright? Don't feel great about it, if I'm being honest. I feel like noodle, fennel, I feel like nut, noodle, fennel, and bean can go together. That looks pretty good to me. I feel like they might be legumes. I might be completely making that up. Nuts and beans are legumes, right? Did I say noodle in that group? That noodle is definitely not a legume. So, but they feel like they could be, I don't know. I don't know what they could be. I'm making that up. But we definitely have some foods. You know, there's some foods in here. Baguette, noodle, carbohydrates. Fennel could be a carbohydrate. It also could be a protein like beans and nuts. Beans are protein, right? I don't know. I know nuts are. I don't know. Y'all vegans are eating probably a lot of beans and nuts. There's something going on here that I don't understand. I feel like tarragon, anise could be a food, or it could be some weird like sci-fi movie thing. Like I feel like tarragon and anise and emerald and princess are like, that feels like Star Trek or something. And I don't know anything about that, but it feels like something might be happening there with Star Trek. And there's gonna be some kind of radiant. There's gonna be some kind of there's gonna be some kind of blank category. I think if I get through this, it's gonna take some luck probably. or just like a stroke of some sort of genius, or just some sort of revelation. And I don't know. I don't feel it coming. It doesn't feel like it's coming. It might come, but candy costume. I think I have to submit this. If this isn't right, I'm just toast. So the streak's on the line, but I got to get some words out of the way. When it comes down to it, I got to get some words out of the way, dude. This feels like Halloween stuff. Good. Okay, Halloween purchases. That's the easiest category. Great, dude. We're rolling now. Now we're really rolling. And what was I saying next? I was hoping that somehow these were related. I feel like this might work better. I don't know what anise. It rings a bell. It does, but it, and I don't think I'm probably not pronouncing that right. But I kind of like this. But also I like melon and noodle as like your brain. And I feel like you could say off the bean, like you're just your bean could be your brain. But truthfully, I don't really feel like I see another one. Radiant. Is there going to be something like... I feel like there's going to be like something about these words somehow. The actual letters in the word. Is there something structural going on with some of these? There's got to be. I feel like there still could be something to licorice, baguette, and noodle being long foods. I don't see any more long foods, though. I don't know what to do. Melon is a green, right? Melon green. Emerald green. Anise could be a green for all I know. These could be greens. I don't know. Probably not, right? Still got all my long foods here too. If I do this, and then so if long foods was a category, licorice, baguette, noodle, just say fennel's a long food. I don't know. Could be. Radiant, bean, nut, princess. Why does that feel like they could kind of go together? I don't know why. I feel like these fennel's got to be a long food. I don't know what it looks like, dude. I feel like you can kind of make pasta out of fennel. Can you? And I have fennel seeds stuck in my head too. So like those are the two things that feel kind of like they're opposing each other. But I feel like they're both true somehow, and I don't know how that makes any sense. Radiant, bean, nut, princess. I would really like to keep the streak going. Radiant. I mean, even if all four of these words don't get together, there's got to be something here. Radiant, bean, nut, princess. I don't know. I'm going long foods. I think I want to see if I'm on the right track with long foods. I think I'm not getting this perfect. I don't think. Unless I mean, if this is right, I might have a chance. I want to see if I'm like one off with long foods. Let's see. Not even one away. Okay, so I was not even close here. I didn't stand a chance. So long foods was not happening. I had a weird feeling about these words because I don't know what tarragon and anise mean, and emerald and princess sort of feel like they could go together. I just feel like there's something weird. There's like I don't know why I have like a Star Trek vibe from these four words, but I feel like it's something like that, some like sci-fi movie or book. I'm gonna submit these. Not even one away there. Okay, so your boy's toast, dude. I'm absolutely toast. What was did I have the greens? Oh, I should submit the greens. Emerald, melon. I was trying to say that these were no, because now I said, yeah, so these can't go together because I just did emerald, princess, anise, and tarragon, so it would have been one away. So it's over, dude. It's all over. So bean, noodle, melon. Can I do those still? I think I can. I can't do it with baguette or fennel. Melon, bean, and noodle I feel like can be your brain. Your nut. Like off the top of the head. I'm going with these. Food slang for head. Okay. And I still just have no idea though. So what words did I try together? I did long foods. That was baguette, fennel, noodle, and licorice. So these three can't go together. I guess that's helpful. Anise, princess, and tarragon can't go together. Oh, and emerald. So actually all four of these words I've submitted together. So no three of these words can go together. So they have to pair off somehow. I think these are foods. And I don't know about anise. No, because these are the three, yeah, so I can't do those together. Long foods I did. These 4 words have double letters. I think I split the groups in half. Yeah, I have two groups of 2 from the other thing that I did. I don't know, man. Double letters. That's the best I'm doing. Not even one away. Still. Okay. So I don't know. I mean, it's just a last-ditch guess at this point. Might as well make a group that could work. I have no idea what the correlation is between any of these words, and I don't think I'm gonna be upset by not getting. I don't think I have a chance. I don't think I had a chance. I mean, I'm bummed that I didn't get food slang for head earlier. I definitely saw those 4 words, but they were totally screwing up the other categories that I was trying to make. So I don't know, man. Radiant. So what do I do? Radiant. I haven't used radiant at all yet, I don't think. Radiant, emerald, anise. I can't do baguette, fennel, and licorice together. I don't know what's happening. I just want to see what the answer is at this point. Plants with similar flavors. Okay, so I just didn't know what any of these things were. Fennel tastes like licorice? I don't have any idea what's going on. Gemstone cuts? Your boy I didn't stand a chance, dude. I didn't stand a single chance at this. I had no idea what was going on. I said a lot of things. I had a lot of thoughts there. I thought I had a lot of thoughts. None of them were correct. You know, it's tough when days like that happen, but they do happen sometimes. You know, so I didn't get 5 in a row, but we start again tomorrow. I gotta get a real streak going. We gotta be like cutting up a 20 streak soon. We gotta get this rolling. Thanks for watching. Catch you later.